So you might be in a situation where for some reason Touch ID is not working on your Mac. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, maybe your Mac is going through and it's like, you're trying to unlock it, but for some reason, it's not actually going through and fully unlocking. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the first thing I'd recommend doing is to try just going through and just try restarting your particular Mac. So if you can, just hold down that Touch ID button and just power off your Mac and see if that ends up kind of fixing and addressing this problem. A lot of the times, if you just kind of do that, that might end up fixing it for you. And that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation as well. So try going through, try restarting your Mac from that particular situation, and that might end up fixing the problem in your particular case as well. Now, if you do that and that's not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is going through and try seeing if you can update your Mac. So go inside of your Mac settings and try seeing if you can actually go through and update your Mac from that perspective. That can be another big thing that you might end up doing as well. And that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation as well. So try updating your Mac, try seeing if that ends up fixing it. And I'd recommend seeing if that ends up kind of doing it for you. Now, if that ends up doing it, that's great. If that doesn't end up doing it, the next thing you might want to do is just kind of to clean out that sensor a little bit. So try cleaning out that, that Touch ID sensor, and you might end up seeing that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. So that's another one of those things. It's another very, very easy thing you can kind of do. And from that particular situation, that might end up fixing it in your particular, situation as well. Now, if that still doesn't do it, you might want to try going through and try seeing if you can re-enroll your fingerprints. So go inside of your system settings, click on that Touch ID sensor a couple of times, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too, which for a lot of people, that might end up fixing it. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.